Hey there, fellow engineering enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing in construction and how this innovative technology is transforming the way we build structures. Picture this, a massive 3D printer at work, churning out a 3-story house in just 24 hours. This incredible feat was achieved by Winsun, a Chinese construction company, using a printing robot. The company claims that this groundbreaking process not only reduces construction time, but also lowers costs by half. But what about the materials used? Well, the printer mixes cement, glass fibers, and sand to create sturdy and durable buildings. The beauty of 3D printing is that it allows for endless customization and design possibilities, from single homes to entire cities. Now, you might be wondering about the environmental impact of this technology. Fortunately, 3D printing also offers eco-friendly benefits like reduced waste and energy consumption during construction. So there you have it, folks. 3D printing is truly changing the game in the construction industry. Thanks for joining me on this insightful journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more engineering content, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time.